Today for lunch, there's the smokehouse grill, a toasted cheese sandwich, or a chili dog with corn chips. One way to free up a little space on your iPad is to delete unneeded photos. However, they're not actually gone yet. You need to open your settings, then your general settings and iPad storage, then select recently deleted album and empty. It'll ask you if you're sure if you want to empty it because it will be permanently deleted, but this will free up some space on your iPad. Band, this cycle will follow rotation 3. First period, 6th grade trumpets. Third period, 6th grade flutes. Fourth period, 7th and 8th grade band. Sixth period, 6th grade band. Seventh period, 6th grade clarinets and saxophones. Eighth period, makeups. Field hockey is away today at Lime Mountain. Athletes are dismissed at 1:45 and the bus departs at 2. Girls soccer is at home today versus Sesquinita. Athletes are dismissed at 2:30 and the bus departs at 2:50. Some upcoming dates. This Friday, April 22nd is Earth Day and there will be an assembly in the afternoon. Next Tuesday, April 26th begins PSSA testing, and Friday, May 13th will be the 8th grade dance. Remember to check your school email. Library due date notices are sent out 3 days before the books are due back in the library, and you can renew your books online anywhere, anytime using the Library Search app. Breakfast on Wednesday will be the fruit and yogurt parfait with graham crackers or the ham, egg and cheese burrito. Now, please rise for the flag salute.